Ever wonder why many aspiring entrepreneurs stumble when starting a print-on-demand business? It often boils down to a lack of understanding about the tools available that can make the journey smoother. One such incredible tool is Merch by Amazon, a print-on-demand service that allows you to create and sell your designs on Amazon's vast marketplace. Today, we delve into the intricacies of using Merch by Amazon. Begin by creating an account on Merch by Amazon. Navigate to the website and click on the Request Invitation button. You'll need to provide some basic information about your business, such as your business name, address, and tax information. Once that's done, wait for Amazon to review and approve your application. After your account has been approved, it's time to create your first product. Click on Create on the Merch by Amazon dashboard. You'll see a variety of product options to choose from, such as t-shirts, hoodies, and phone cases. Pick the one that suits your design best. Next, upload your design. Make sure your design is in PNG format and adheres to Amazon's size guidelines. Amazon provides a template you can download to help ensure your design fits perfectly on your chosen product. Once your design is uploaded, it's time to set a price. The price you set will determine your royalty per sale. Amazon provides a royalty calculator that can help you determine the perfect price for your product. Now, create a product title and description. Make sure these are keyword-rich and accurately describe your product. This will help potential customers find your products when they search on Amazon. Finally, submit your product for review. Amazon will review your product to ensure it adheres to their content policies before it goes live. This process can take up to 72 hours, so be patient. And that's it. You've just created your first product on Merch by Amazon. But remember, success doesn't come overnight. Consistency, creativity, and patience are key. Now let's summarize the key points we've discussed today. First, you need to create an account on Merch by Amazon and wait for approval. Next, choose a product type and upload your design, ensuring it matches Amazon's size guidelines. Set a price for your product and create a keyword-rich title and description. Finally, submit your product for review and wait for it to go live. Merch by Amazon is an excellent tool for entrepreneurs looking to break into the print-on-demand business. It's user-friendly, and with a bit of patience and creativity, you can create a successful business selling your unique designs. Give it a try and see how it can help you achieve your entrepreneurial dreams.